Hi, Lou Manfredini, Aces Home Expert. I want to talk to you about a tool from DEWALT called the Grabo Lifter. This is essentially a vacuum tool that you can use to grab onto porous and semi-porous materials like tile, marble, granite, a mirror, a piece of glass. It's essentially a vacuum pump that you would place on a material, like I have a piece of tile here that you're going to put this on, and then you engage the tool. This tool, one tool, has a 265-pound capacity, and once you engage it and the vacuum starts to establish itself, it automatically gets to where it needs to go, and now it's grabbing on, and it will maintain that suction all by itself. So if you're using the tool, you reposition it, maybe you're working with countertops or things like that, removing a big solid piece of backsplash or something like that, or a mirror or a glass like I mentioned. This tool is amazing. You probably need more than one depending on what the project is, but it's a really versatile tool. It's part of their 20-volt max system, so if you're already a DEWALT user and have those batteries, it will work on this tool as well. And it even has the ability that you can put straps on it if you wanted to lift it up out of the way. A super versatile tool, specialty item, but man, this one really does the trick. Coming up next, another video on another great DEWALT tool.